Hello, my dear friends and my dear students. Welcome back to my channel. हमने पिछली वीडियो में करेक्टर सेट ऑफ द पाइथन एंड द टोकन, इन दो टॉपिक पर हमने बात किया था. टोकन, ऑल ऑफ यू नो that it is the smallest unit in a program, and there are 5 types of tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. हमने कीवर्ड्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया था कि इट इज़ अ रिजर्व्ड वर्ड्स and there are total 35 keywords in Python, and they have a specific meaning to perform some functions, and they are in these specific meanings belong to or are executed by the Python interpreter, and it defines the syntax for coding. कोडिंग के लिए जो सिंटेक्स हम लिखते हैं या कहीं से इंपोर्ट करते हैं, उसी चीज़ को ये डिफ़ाइन करता है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, वी दिस कीवर्ड्स कैनॉट बी यूज्ड एज अ फंक्शन नेम, वेरिएबल्स नेम और एनी अदर आइडेंटिफायर्स. और एज ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट इट इज़ अ केस सेंसिटिव. सो इन द कीवर्ड्स देर आर आउट ऑफ 35, 3 keywords are there named false, none and true. They start with capital letter. The first letter is in capital and rest 32 keywords are in a small letter. Always keep this in your mind. Now the second token is the identifier. All of you know it is the building blocks of a program, and they are used to identify. As its name is identifier, so its function is also used to identify a variable, function, class, objects, dictionary or other identities. Variable, function, class, objects, these are the things that we are going to learn in the coming video. And there are certain rules for naming an identifier. If you want to name an identifier, you want to give a name to an identifier, then you must follow certain rules. First rule is it can be written in upper or lower case, or underscore can be used in this identifier. The only symbol that can be used with the identifier, or the only special character that can be used in the identifier, is the underscore. Second, it cannot start with digit. Suppose that I want to give a name to a variable, then we cannot write it like 1 2 3 ABC. It cannot start with the digits. And the next one, we cannot use the special symbol and a space except underscore, and we cannot use the keyword also. The keyword we cannot use for naming the identifier. And the last one is that you must use senseful name for the identifier. Suppose that if I want to get the average of the marks of 5 subjects, then for the average I will use AVG as a name for the identifier average. So suppose that I want to give the name to the identifier which will store the name of the students, then I will use the std. Suppose that students, in the short form we can write the std, so the std can also be used in a short form. Okay. And while while giving name to the identifier, always remember one thing, that the only special character that can be used in the beginning of the identifier is the underscore. ओके, सो आज आइडेंटिफायर तक ही हम लोग इस डिस्कशन को रखते हैं, फिर बाकी हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखते हैं. टिल देन, ऑल ऑफ यू, बाय.